How have you guys been? It's been a tedious few months. I'm so glad that we're able to see another month. It's going to the end of the year, and I decided to show you one of the goodies that I got. Hey tribers, welcome back to my channel. This is Garbie of Garbie'Signature. If you're new here, kindly stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. You want to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell and like, comment, and be fabulous, because on this channel we have freebies to be won, but you have to be an active subscriber. That being said, I just want to say a big huge thank you to my old and gorgeous, beautiful, amazing subscribers. You guys are the plug. You've kept me down on this channel. Today I'll be bringing something different and exciting. As you can see, I've done my makeup, but what I'm going to be reviewing is this CCbeauty Professional Cosmetic 12 flash color base. I got two different sets. One is 3 and one is number 4. We have this that has the colorful, beautiful palette, and we have this that comes with the neutral tones. And to create my lip color today, I'm going to be going with the neutral tones. Right here is a dupe for the popular Ferrarusi lip color that I know a lot of Nigerians use, but I saw this on Amazon, and I'm going to drop the link in my description box. Don't forget to check out the link. But today we're going in with lip tutorial, so let's go in and see how this goes. For my lips, the center of my lips, I'm going to be going in with these shades of pink, going with this shade, this shade, this shade for the inner corner of my lips, and I'm going to start that first before I line the outsides. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to put this over here. And I just want to say that this has like an odorless smell. It doesn't really give off any kind of smell or perfume or whatsoever. Next up, I'm going with the second color that I showed you, and I'm just dabbing it on my lips like so. I'm going to do this frequently. You see me going back and forth. It's blending both colors in and out. I'm just blending it in and out. And for the center, I'm going to go in with the white, and I'm dabbing it like so. I'm just going to snap it once, just so the color doesn't move. But I love my lips this way. I love the vibe it's giving off. Next up, I'm going to go in with this brown. These two browns to line my lips, and I know it's looking like it's all over the place. Don't worry about that. We're going to get it right now. Just a pretty quick in and out. Next up, I'm using the same fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend it out. And that's just a simple, cute, beautiful lip gloss color. We come to the end of this lip tutorial. If you loved it, kindly give me a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment section about your thoughts on this look. And if you're going to purchase this lip color, I would advise that if you're not a lipstick kind of person, or you're confused about the range of lipsticks to get, this is perfect. It has almost all the colors, and you can mix and match to get this. If you notice that I built on upon this lip color before I got this, and that's totally fine. So if you enjoyed it, subscribe, follow, drop your comments, let me know, spaz my comment. I want to hear from every one of you. This is the end of the review of these two 24 colored lip glosses, 24 colored lipsticks.